Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Create a Shopback account with your email and password to begin. Fill basic profile details so rewards can be processed and paid out. Install the Shopback app on your phone or open the desktop website when you plan to shop. Stay logged in to speed up the tracking process. Link your preferred payment method before starting a Lazada purchase to reduce checkout friction and prevent session issues. Enable push notifications so you can receive real-time cashback updates and alerts. Open the Shopback app or site and find the Lazada offer to begin. Tap the Lazada link inside Shopback to start a tracked session for your purchase. Browse Lazada within that session and add items to your cart as normal. Complete your checkout in the same session without opening new tabs or clearing cookies. Use only coupons and vouchers provided through the Shopback flow to prevent losing cashback eligibility. Avoid switching devices during checkout unless you reinitiate the track. After you complete the Lazada purchase, cashback typically appears as pending within 24-72 hours. The pending status reflects order processing and merchant reporting times. Once the return period passes and the purchase is validated, pending cashback becomes confirmed. Confirmed cashback enters your Shopback balance and becomes eligible for withdrawal. Withdraw confirmed cashback to your linked bank or e-wallet when your balance reaches the platform threshold. If tracking fails, contact Shopback support with your order ID and screenshots to request manual review quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.